These are made from male waste. Normally, we would put aside our male waste for kindling, but something caught our eye this time. We glued a bunch of veneer waste into bundles and cut them into these forms. We want the forms to command attention with the power and the strength brought together by combined veneers. In an upcoming new show, we're displaying these objects with a question on a wall to ask viewers if we as artists are turning garbage into something of value or just another form of garbage. They are art to us, but are they art to you? We've heard people saying they don't like contemporary art because they don't get it. Sometimes contemporary art comes with hard-to-digest references and research that require using intellect rather than feeling and senses to appreciate the work. On the other hand, we've also seen people who don't question. They think all the artworks endorsed by institutions are great art. We're asking people to go back to the basics of appreciating art by activating their own senses to feel if the work speaks to them. If it doesn't, that's okay. It doesn't matter what other people say. Waste and art seem to share something in common. Whether they can become something of value may be the viewer's call.